Today's Read Aloud is about being a communicator, which is one of our Ivy Learner profiles, and it's one of the ways we can become a better human being is learning how to share our ideas by how we talk to each other and how we listen to each other. Now, this story is called Michael Birdboy by Tommy DePaula. Okay. Michael Birdboy lived in the country. Every day was the same. He woke up and washed his face. He put on his bird suit and he ate his breakfast. Then Michael Birdboy did his work. At night, he sat down and looked at the stars. And every day was different. The sky and the leaves were always different. But one day was very different. A black cloud came across the sky. And when night came, Michael Birdboy couldn't see the moon or the stars. The white birds were very dirty, and the flowers wilted. So he packed his suitcase and went off to find what was causing the black cloud. He's taking action. He walked and walked until he came to the city, and there he saw it. He saw the genuine shoe fly artificial honey syrup. "Hi, I'm Boss Lady," said a voice. "I'm Michael Birdboy," said Michael. "Your factory is making the countryside very dark and dirty." "I'm sorry, Mike," said Boss Lady. "I'm making genuine shoe fly artificial honey syrup in my factory. It's great on pancakes. But melting all that sugar in the big furnace makes a lot of black smoke." "Why don't you make real honey?" asked Michael Birdboy. "Bees don't make smoke." "Where can I get some bees?" asked Boss Lady. "I'll send you some," said Michael Birdboy. So Michael Birdboy went back to the country and sent Boss Lady some bees. She shut off her furnace and started to make real honey. The white birds were white again. The flowers weren't wilted anymore, and Michael Birdboy could see the stars and the moon at night. Just think what would have happened if Michael Birdboy had not taken action and went to communicate. One day the telephone rang. "Hello, Mike, this is Boss Lady. I have a terrible problem. Your bees aren't working." So Michael went all the way back to Boss Lady's factory. She was waiting for him. "Come inside," she said. Dear. "Look, no honey," she said, pointing to the rows of empty jars. "The bees are just sitting there buzzing." I planned it so carefully. Look at my charts. Michael Birdboy looked. Where are the flowers? He asked. Do not believe Boss Lady knows how bees make honey. Maybe Michael Birdboy is going to help her. Flowers, Boss Lady said. Bees need flowers and hives, said Michael Birdboy. Bees plus flowers plus hive. Bees go to the flowers and drink nectar, then make a beeline to the hive where... Hive with honeycomb. Number 1, the bees turn nectar into honey. Number 2, and put it into the honeycombs the bees make out of beeswax. The bees live in honeycombs too. And he drew a picture to show the Boss Lady how bees make honey. No wonder no honey, said Boss Lady. Thanks again, Mike. A few weeks later, Mike got a letter. It said, Dear Mike, oh, look, a comma. Thanks again. Everything is working out fine. You wouldn't know the old factory. I planted lots of flowers and turned the smokestack into a big beehive. The bees are happy and so am I. And there's plenty of honey. I'm driving up tomorrow to bring you some and to thank you personally. Your friend. Another comma. Boss Lady. P.S. Encloses a photo of the old place. And there's the letter. And there's the picture of the old place. Oh, I forgot to read. It says, Boss Lady's real honey for Mike, comma, love, comma, Boss Lady. Well, the next day, Boss Lady arrived in her pickup loaded with honey. Oh, good, said Michael Birdboy. I'll bake us a honey cake. And he did, while Boss Lady told him all the details. There's the trucks with honey. So now, Boss Lady and Birdboy, they've talked in person, they've talked over the phone, and they've talked with a letter, and now they're talking over cake. Then they had a party. That night, Michael Birdboy and Boss Lady sat among the flowers and the white birds and watched the annual comet display. Oh, I think I showed that backwards. There we go. There's the honey cake and the comet display. Good night. And that's the end of Michael Birdboy. That's a really, really great story of how a character in a story used communication to solve a problem and used it in a really good way. He was very nice about how he handled a problem, and he took action, and he was helpful. He didn't expect the lady to do it all by herself. He was helpful and caring. He didn't want the environment to be harmed. He wanted to help the environment. And he wanted to be able to enjoy his environment. And he made a friend in the process, which is a really wonderful thing. And I hope you enjoyed that story. And I hope you're able to learn from Michael Birdboy on how to take action and communicate when you have a problem, and also be a helper when there's a problem. Till next time, guys.